Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools that can help you earn money online, even if you have zero experience. If you're a student, jobless, or just want a side income, this video is for you, so make sure to watch till the end. Imagine this, AI is doing the work and you are earning money. Today, I'll show you tools that people are using to start freelancing, run YouTube channels, and generate daily income. This is one of the most powerful AI tools right now. You can use it to write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, and generate product descriptions. Example prompts: write a YouTube script, create a blog post, write a Fiverr gig description. You can sell these services as a content writer online. Not a designer? No problem. With Canva AI, you can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, and add creatives. You can sell these designs to clients on freelancing platforms. This tool converts text into videos. You can create faceless YouTube videos and make reels and shorts. This is perfect for starting a YouTube automation channel. No need to record your own voice. You can generate realistic AI voiceovers and use them in your videos. Perfect for faceless content creators. This tool is great for marketing content. You can create ad copy, emails, and product descriptions. Sell these as copywriting services to businesses. Now the important part, how do you actually make money? You can create gigs on Fiverr, find clients on Upwork, start your own YouTube channel, and sell digital products. Remember, tools alone won't make you money. You need consistency, practice, and daily effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment AI, and I'll create a step-by-step guide on how to actually start earning with these tools. And don't forget to subscribe for more online earning content. Allah Hafiz.